Hi, and welcome to another Green Room Studios tutorial. Today's tutorial video is going to be on the equipment section of the Green Room Studios step-by-step guide to recording. This list is a guide to the basic things you will need to record at home. Firstly, you will need a microphone to record audio such as vocals and acoustic guitars. There are two main types of microphone to know about. Condenser microphones, such as this SE Electronics SE2. This microphone is great for recording things such as acoustic guitars. It costs around £150. Behringer offers some more budget condenser microphones. These are great for recording vocals, such as the C1, for as little as £60. The other, more affordable type of microphone is the dynamic microphone. The SM58 is the industry standard dynamic and costs around £80. These microphones are multi-purpose and a great value for money. You will also need the correct cables. In order to connect a microphone up to the next signal stage, you will need an XLR cable. An XLR is a 3-pin cable that carries the signal and can also carry phantom power, which is needed for condenser microphones. Another useful cable you will need if recording instruments such as guitars directly is a jack cable. If you play guitar, you will most probably already have one. The next thing you will need is an audio interface. An interface is a piece of equipment that bridges the gap between the signal coming from the instrument or microphone and your computer. Plainly put, it converts analog signal into a digital signal, which is sent to your computer. Also, an interface can convert digital signals into analog audio signal, which can be sent to things like speakers. This is a Lexicon Lambda interface, which is a USB interface. It has two XLR microphone inputs, two jack line inputs for things like keyboards, MIDI in and out for things such as synthesizers, one instrument line input for things like guitars. This interface also has a headphone output and a pair of jack outputs for things such as speakers. Your interface will need to be connected to a computer, which you may already own. In particular, it is advised that your PC or Mac has a reasonable amount of RAM, as recording software can be quite demanding for your computer to run. We would recommend at least 1 GB. However, if you have ambitious size projects, I would recommend more. You will need to ensure that your computer has the correct ports for the interface you get. The chances are they will already be there, but it's good to check and be aware of what your computer has. For PCs, you will usually use USB, which looks like this. For Macs, you can use USB, but you also have the option of the FireWire. Be aware that there are two different types of FireWire, 400 and 800. This is what they look like. When you buy an interface, be sure to check the connection that it uses. On your computer, you'll need audio editing software. Many interfaces will come complete with the software. For example, the Lexicon Lambda came along with a copy of Cubase LE. If your interface doesn't, you can also buy the software. Popular software includes Logic and Pro Tools. If you cannot afford to get this kind of software, there is a free basic software called Audacity that you can get from audacity.sourceforge.net. The last thing you will need is a set of speakers or headphones to listen back to your productions. It is advised to get studio monitors as opposed to normal speakers, because normal speakers tend not to show the sound as accurately as monitors. If you cannot afford studio monitors, a set of monitor headphones is a great alternative. I would particularly recommend the Beyerdynamic DT100 headphones. Another advantage of these is that you can work into the night without disturbing anyone. These are all the basic things you will need to record. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. For more tips from anything from basic setup to audio mastering, please visit us at www.greenroomstudios.co.uk. We also offer a wide range of production recording services, many of which are absolutely free. Thank you again for watching. Hope to see you next time.